which I thought was really powerful and interesting and kind of connected a lot of the stuff together, was about how to take the subject of diversity and take it out of that sort of siloed best practice, need to do, fairness box, and make it a much more central driving part of the way an organisation is and the way it behaves, and importantly the way it connects to the outside world. And there were lots of things that came up that were very inspiring and helpful examples of how you might do that. And the first, and I guess the primary one, was connecting it to the business case and looking at the huge kind of market opportunities that there are in markets that might historically have been considered niches or segments or kind of low value peripheral markets, that certainly the case from a female point of view, but also the case from an ethnic diversity point of view was very powerfully made, I thought, around the commercial value of those audiences. And then there were loads of very practical examples, weren't there, around people who were using their different employee networks to help inform and advise and consult around propositions and product development for the segments in inverted commas, which I found very helpful and enlightening.
My key takeouts from today's session, one focused on mobilisation. I think one of the really interesting things that people talked about was when there's a market opportunity, people start to do things. They start to change the shape of their organisation. They start to bring in new talent to take advantage of that market opportunity, whether that's marketing to a particular group, whether it's setting up a new business, whatever it is. It feels like actually when there's a pound involved, when there's a kind of commercial incentive, things can change quite quickly. And I think that's where diversity and inclusion can play a real part. If they drive that, and they drive that business benefit, they can get things done much quicker than they might expect.
Today's event showed that there are lots of people, especially in diversity in different companies, who are looking at ways to they can bring in or get more ideas and take those ideas back into the organization, it is an opportunity to exchange ideas with them and to highlight this market and the size of the market and the potential for brands, especially in testing economic environments.